Okay, good morning. I'm Bill Sullivan with Elliott Coastal Living Realty in North Myrtle Beach, and today I'm thrilled to be talking with Greg Russ, who is a new home specialist at Bridgewater, which is a new development in Little River, South Carolina. So Greg, thanks for coming.
Yes, sir.
And first of all, can you tell me about the price ranges of your houses?
So we have the price range for all of our homes run anywhere from about $350,000 going all the way up to $8,000 or $800,000.
Okay. And how about the square footages?
So we have everything that's going to be from 1,500 square feet going up to about 3,800 square feet.
Okay, wonderful. And now as far as choices interior, what would you offer?
Well, we have a state-of-the-art design center, so anybody who buys a pre-sale here at Bridgewater, they'll go to our design center, and we have everything from painted cabinets going from hardwood floor, tile floor, the luxury LVP plank flooring. You can have quartz countertops, granite countertops, everything from tray ceilings to coffered ceilings. So, I mean, pretty much anything you would see in a custom builder, but not quite a custom builder.
Okay. Well, it sounds like you offer a lot more interior options than a lot of other builders I've run into, so that's great. And how about any specials?
So currently right now, we are running a closing cost incentive on all of our homes. We're offering $10,000 using our lender. And then we also have some inventory out there where we have some reduced pricing on homes that are coming to completion.
So it sounds like a great time to buy a home.
Definitely.
And what about the amenities? What do you offer here?
Well, that's what sets us apart from a lot of communities in the area. So when we start talking about amenities, we are an active lifestyle community. So basically we have a clubhouse about 6,000 square feet with a full gym. We also have an outdoor pavilion, which is a covered area with an outdoor fireplace, large screen TV with seating and chairs throughout. We have an indoor yoga studio as well. Once you get outside, we have 2 pickleball courts. We have 2 bocce ball courts. We have the pool with 10 cabanas out there. We also have hammocks laid around the pools as well. We have dog parks. We have a children's playground. So pretty much anything to kind of keep you active.
Wow, it sounds like almost like a mini resort here.
It is, and with that, we also have a full-time activities director. Every month they send out a monthly calendar of activities that they're doing, so you can stay as busy as you want, or you can just relax.
That's fabulous. Now, as far as inventory goes, can somebody come in and buy a house and get into it relatively quickly? How's that looking?
Well, we have currently right now, about 40 homes under construction in various stages. So we have some that are just starting, we have some that are completed. So pretty much anybody from needing something within a month to somebody who's coming in and looking for something within 8 months.
Great, that's fabulous. Well, Greg, I really appreciate your time, and let's go to the tour. So I hope you enjoyed today's tour of Bridgewater and Little River as much as I did. This is just literally 6 minutes from the Cherry Grove Beach. You're close to everything that North Myrtle Beach has to offer. North Carolina beaches are about 20 minutes away up north, so you could access those really easily, close to shopping, everything we have to offer here. And the amenities here is what really blew me away. The resort-style pool, the gym, the meeting areas, just really fabulous. Pickleball courts, and if you're a dog lover like me, they even have a dog park. So, and the truly incredible thing, you get all this for an HOA fee of $208 a month. It's just incredible. If you had to go out and buy these things separately with memberships, it'd cost you a fortune. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm Bill Sullivan at Elliott Coastal Living Realty, and my phone number is 843-997-0616. And if you need a value on your home, feel free to scan the QR code here, and you can find out what your house is worth. And maybe we could see you down here and get you a house here at Bridgewater soon enough. So thanks for watching, and if you like this video and you want to find more information about North Myrtle Beach real estate in southern Brunswick County in North Carolina, or you just want to find out local news, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thanks.